Today we're looking at the air duster. It could be for just about anything imaginable. So if you got a keyboard laptop and you want to clean those keys out that you eat at your desk and dust, food, whatever collects, even on other products you can use this for. So let's get a nice close-up look at what you get. Trying to pull out the insides, you're going to have the cord, a little brush that the vacuum goes on, a carrying bag that you put everything in, finer attachments, finer brush, and other pieces, other types of brushes, and the unit itself. The unit is protected by a piece of tape and a plastic cover so it doesn't turn on during shipment. Please make sure you remove it. And you're going to need to charge the unit up in order to work it. On the back of the unit, you're going to plug in the USB cable dedicated to the machine. It's a USB-C. And the unit should be charging. There is a red indicator right over here between my thumbs. In order to use the machine, what you're going to do is you're going to turn this on for a full 3 seconds. Right over here, there's a red indicator as well that you may see a red light. 1, 2, 3. You're going to have to unplug the machine and do a 1, 2, 3. The machine comes on. There's a green light back and front. And it's pretty powerful indeed. It has a number of speeds, low, medium, and high, and it has a LED indicator and a green light that you should shut off after a few seconds. We take the brush and we clean our keyboard. That's what the brushes are for. You have more like a toothbrush so you could get deeper into the keys. Make sure your machine is in the off position when you do so. And if you want to get more into detail, you have a nice round brush. And then if you want to simply just blow away with the brush itself, you place on the piece. 1, 2, 3. It's a softer brush. When you finish with this brush, you try your best to remove it. You could put on a nozzle, or if you want something that's a little longer, you put a longer one on, like so. This little brush here, if you read the instructions, it'll tell you what it's for. It'll blow left and right, up and down, depending on how you would install it. This is on very tight indeed. In order to take it off, you're going to wiggle it a little to get it off. These brushes are great. They do a nice job. If I need to clean my mouse, I can by simply just brushing off the control sticks. When you're all done, take everything and just put it in the bag where it's supposed to go. When ready to use for another day and you want to go over to a friend's house and help clean out their laptop, their keyboard, their computer, their fan, etc., etc., you've got an excellent product indeed. Something that you're looking for to make a better, clean keyboard. Enjoy your product.